Hi guys. Don't mind that. That was my brother. We're actually in the car and we are getting in the hurricane. So we're probably Hurricane Matthew might hit us. Oh my gosh! This seatbelt. Stupid seatbelt. But well, it's like so bad outside, and my mom's work decides to be so irritating that we have to go to her work to be drowned. I mean, like, I don't want to go to her work, and Grandma, I don't want to go to Grandma's, but if I have to, we're going to this house. Yeah. So, I'm just letting you guys know that if you don't hear back from me for a while, it's because of this horrible storm.
Or you just don't want to post any videos.
And, yeah. So, if you guys live in Florida, I hope you guys are okay. Oh, this car's so lovely. And I hope you guys have a good day, because I really don't want you guys to be hurt. And oh my gosh, this is what it looks like in Florida right now. Like, this is what it looks like. If you're not in Florida, this is what it looks like. Horrible grass everywhere. Yeah, horrible. Just put this light on. Okay, that works. And I just hope you guys are okay, safe. And I'm sorry about the camera right now. It's just going everywhere. So, yeah, I hope you guys are okay. And because I live in Florida, and Hurricane Matthew is gonna hit us. And it was on the news, and it's pretty bad. So it might be a 3 or a 4. We're a 4 right now. It might be a 3. See, and there's like the water, like that's water. And yeah, I know. I'll be back with another video soon. After I upload this one, because it takes so long to upload a video.
Did you bring your chargers?
Yeah.
Bye.
I told her, I go, do you both have it?
See, this is what Florida
Netflix.
That is what Florida looks like. If you don't know what Florida looks like, I live in Florida. It's hot, miserable, and no one likes Florida because it's so hot, too much rain. It's just no. Isn't there too much rain?
Oh, it is kind of the summer.
Yeah.
Is it past summer?
Yeah.
Then no rain.
Yeah. Isn't there too much rain, Mom?
At times.
Yeah, it's like so much rain. Ah! BT Dubs, we have a minivan and we have a TV in this car. So, yeah, and that is Florida, everything Florida. Everything's Florida, guys. I woke up like not wanting to get up this morning because I really didn't want to get up, but I had to. And I'm not in school because the hurricane is coming. It's coming soon. Hope you guys are okay. Again, I'll see you next time. Vote for Florida. Blech.